Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about the different classification of thermocouple. And thermocouple, it is a type of temperature transducer. It is used to measuring the temperature. And it has two different types of metal wire legs. These two metal wire legs are connected together and to the circuit to form a junction. So the temperature can calculated by at this junction. As the junction understand the temperature modified, then voltage will be created. And the main classification of thermocouples are type K, type J, type T, type E, type N, type S, type R, type B, etc. Now coming to the J-type thermocouple transducer, this is the most frequently used thermocouple and it is consists of a positive and negative legs. The positive leg is composed of iron and negative composed of constant. The application of this thermocouple include reducing vacuum, oxidizing, and inert environments. The temperature range of thermocouple is low and its lifespan is lesser at high temperature compared with K, and it is equal to K-type in condition of reliability and expenses. Now coming to the main features of J-type thermocouple. The combustion, as we already studied, it has two legs, iron and constant, and the temperature range is minus 210 to plus 1200 degrees Celsius. And the accuracy is plus or minus 2.2 degrees Celsius or 0.75 percentage. And the particular error limit is 1.1 degrees Celsius or 0.4 percentage. And the sensitivity of J-type thermocouple is 50 to 60 microvolt per degree Celsius. And coming to the second type, it is K-type temperature transducer. The K-type thermocouple is a most common type of thermometer, and it consists of positive and negative legs that is made up of chromal and aluminum. This thermocouple is suggested for inert or oxidizing the atmospheres up to 2300 degrees Fahrenheit, cycling above, but not suggest for below 1800 degrees Fahrenheit due to EMF variation from hysteresis. It is quite stable as well as accurate at high temperature. And coming to the features of K-type thermocouple, it is the combustion is two types of metals. First one is chromal and aluminum, and it ranges from 200 to 2000 degrees 2300 degree of Fahrenheit and 95 to 1200 degree Celsius. And the accuracy of K-type is plus or minus 2.2 degrees Celsius, and the error limit is plus or minus 1.1 degrees Celsius. And the sensitivity of K-type is 28 to 42 microvolts per degree Celsius. And the third one is N-type thermocouple. The N-type thermocouple consists of positive and negative legs, which is made up of nicrosyl and nisyl. It has superior resistance for degradation due to the cycling of temperature, hysteresis, and green rot the K-type. And it is normally very expensive. Now coming to the features, and it is made up of nicrosyl and nisyl, and the temperature range is from minus 250 degree to plus 1300 degree, and accuracy is plus or minus 2.2 degrees Celsius and error limit is plus or minus 1.1 degrees Celsius. And sensitivity of n-type is 24 to 38 microvolts per degree Celsius. And the next one is T-type thermocouple. The T-type thermocouple consists of positive and negative legs, that is copper and constant. The applications mainly include oxidizing, reducing in the vacuum and inert environments. It maintains stable resistance to decomposition in most environments as well as high stability on sub-zero temperatures. Now coming to the features of T-type thermocouple. It has composition of copper and constant and the temperature range minus 330 degree to 660 degree Fahrenheit, and in degree Celsius it is 200 to 350 degree Celsius, and the accuracy is plus or minus 2.2 degrees Celsius and error limit is plus or minus 1.1 degree Celsius, and sensitivity of T types is 17 to 58 microvolts per degree Celsius. And E-type thermocouple. E-type thermocouple consists of positive and negative legs, which is made up of chromal and constant, and it is not focused on oxidizing in atmospheres. This type is also has a maximum EMF per degree like the typical type of thermocouple, but this type must be defended from sulfurous environment. And coming to the features, the composition is chromal and consonant, and temperature range is from minus 200 to 1650 degree Fahrenheit or minus 95 to 900 degrees Celsius. The accuracy for E-type is plus or minus 1.7 Celsius and error limit is 1.1 degrees Celsius. And sensitivity of E-type is 40 to 80 microvolts per degree Celsius. And in the case of S-type thermocouple, the S-type thermocouple is used to extremely high temperature applications. The applications of this mainly involve the pharmaceutical as well as biotech industries. Sometimes it is used to low temperature application due to stability and high accuracy. And the main features of S-type is it is made up of platinum and rhodium, and the temperature range is from 1800 degree to 2640 degree Fahrenheit. The accuracy is plus or minus 1.5 degrees Celsius and error limit is plus or minus 0.6 degrees Celsius, and sensitivity is 8 to 12 microvolts per degree Celsius. And coming to the B-type thermocouple, it maintains a high level of precision as well as constant in very high temperature. The B-type thermocouple is extremely used for high temperature applications and the temperature limits this is highest than other type of thermocouple discussed above. Now coming to the features, it has platinum and rhodium legs. The temperature ranges from 2500 degrees Celsius to 3100 Fahrenheit, and the accuracy is plus or minus 0.5 percentage and error limit is plus or minus 0.25 percentage. The sensitivity is 5 to 10 microvolts per degree Celsius. And coming to the R-type thermocouple, the R-type thermocouple is applicable for high temperatures and it consists of high percentage of rhodium chemical elements than the S-type, which will make more costly. This type of is very comparable to the S-type in terms of act. Sometimes it is used to low temperature applications due to its stability and high accuracy. Now the features of R-type consist of the platinum of 30% and rhodium and platinum legs. The temperature range is 1100 degree to 2640 degree Fahrenheit, and the accuracy is plus or minus 1.5 degree Celsius, and error limit is plus or minus 0.6 degree Celsius. Sensitivity of R-type is 8 to 14 microvolts per degree Celsius. And these are the main classification of thermocouple classification. That are we already discussed above the type K, type J, type T, type E, type N, type S, and type R and type B type thermocouples, and also its features. Thank you.